think we're gonna just keep her classic today. We did diagonals last week, but this should look good. So we're gonna try to line up this first stripe here. The sun's over there, so it's kind of hard to see where it is. See what we can do. All right, now I'll clean it up again here. Oh yeah. This is wild how much grass there is. All right, we're going full out here, and we're still mowing pretty good. It's hard to keep it straight, but let's do a quick cleanup lap with our stand on.